Is tallow good for acne? Today, I'm going to be giving you my honest answer because the answer is a little more nuanced than the videos that just tell you to slather it on. Hi everyone, it's Marisa from Bumblebee Apothecary. Welcome back to my channel. I love tallow. My family uses it all the time, and I'm going to tell you exactly what it's wonderful for when it comes to your skin. But stick with me to the end because there's a part of the story that finally explained why my own cystic acne kept coming back, and it's the part that most people leave out. Now, I'm a certified gut wellness coach. I'm not a medical doctor, and everything I'm sharing here comes from my own personal experience as well as my experience working with clients. And before we dive in, if you'd like a whole collection of DIY home remedy recipes, make sure to check out my free recipe ebook. It's linked down in the description below this video. Let's start with the good news because there's a lot of it. Tallow really is amazing for your skin. Grass-fed beef tallow is just full of skin-friendly nutrients like vitamins A, D, K, E, plus conjugated linoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties, and it has antimicrobial properties too. All of that together is what makes tallow so uniquely compatible with human skin's biology. It's not a random folk remedy. It actually mirrors what our own skin is made of, which is why it works so well for moisturizing and helping to repair the skin's barrier. So when people use tallow balm on their skin, a lot of them have wonderful results for all kinds of skin concerns. It's gentle, it's pure, your skin tends to just drink it in. If you've been nervous to try putting beef fat on your face, I promise it's not as strange as it sounds. The second thing I want to share is just how much I personally love this stuff because I'm not just speaking from theory here. I have used tallow for my family so much over the years, and we still reach for it all the time. It is honestly our favorite skincare product. It's what I trust on my own skin, my kids, for dryness, for soothing, for everyday moisturizing. And there's something so reassuring about using something that's this simple and this pure, where I know exactly what's in it. So if you're looking for a clean, nourishing moisturizer that supports your skin beautifully on the surface, tallow is an easy yes from me. It has more than earned its place in our home. But here's the part where I don't want you to miss. But before we get into that, tell me in the comments, have you tried tallow on your skin yet? And if you have, what were you hoping it would help with? I would love to know. And while we're paused here, one other quick thing, if you love the idea of making your own clean skincare, you'll really enjoy my free natural beauty recipes ebook. It's full of simple recipes you can make at home, masks for your face, all kinds of fun things, and it's completely free and linked in the description below this video. So here's my honest answer, the one I promised. As much as I love tallow, it did not heal my cystic acne. And I want to be really clear and truthful about this because I think a lot of people are hoping that one product will fix everything. Tallow is wonderful for surface support, for soothing, for softening, for nourishing the skin from the outside. But that deep, stubborn cystic acne that I had, slathering on tallow alone was never going to be the kind of thing that resolved it. Because that kind of acne wasn't really a surface problem. If you've been faithfully using a great topical product and still breaking out, please don't feel discouraged or like you're doing something wrong. It just might mean that the answer is somewhere other than the surface. And that's exactly what I figured out for myself. So what actually cleared my skin for good? This is the piece that I told you to stay for, supporting my gut and my liver from the inside. When I focused on healing my gut and supporting healthy liver function from the inside out, that's when my skin truly changed. The breakouts cleared completely. The cystic acne that used to haunt me always has never come back. I always say that skin is a reflection of the condition of the gut. And for me, that turned out to be exactly true. The outside finally settled once the inside was supported properly. So if your skin has been telling you something for a while, it might be worth gently looking deeper at your digestion, at your liver, how well your body is absorbing nutrients and clearing things like toxins. That's where my lasting results came from. And it's such a hopeful thing because it means real change is possible. So let's put the whole picture together because I don't want you to walk away thinking it's one or the other. The way I see it now, tallow is a beautiful part of the picture, just not the whole picture. use it on your skin, and enjoy everything it does on the surface. The soothing, the nourishing, the moisturizing, and at the same time support your skin from the inside by caring for your gut and your liver. When you do both the surface and the inside, that's when you get results that actually last. You can absolutely start both today. You can go gently, put some tallow balm on tonight, start one small nourishing habit for your gut this week. Going gently is the whole point, and the people who heal the deepest are the ones who go the gentlest. And I would love to hear from you. Have you tried tallow on your skin, and what's your skin been struggling with the most? Were you surprised to hear that the real fix for my acne came from the inside and not tallow? Leave me a comment below. I would love to know your story. So, is tallow good for acne? My answer is yes. It's wonderful for supporting your skin on the surface, but for lasting results, pair it with gentle care for your gut and your liver from the inside. And I have so many more videos that talk about this and gentle doable steps that you can start and what all that looks like. So if you're interested, definitely check those out. But don't put pressure on yourself to do it all at once. Start with one small step today. Trust that your skin can reflect the good that you're doing for the rest of your body. And if you would like a simple step-by-step guide to start supporting your gut and your skin from the inside this week, be sure to grab my free Gut Reset Jumpstart guide. It's linked down in the description below this video, along with my free DIY home remedy recipes ebook and my free natural beauty recipes ebook. You'll find all of them linked down below in the description. Now that you know if tallow is good for acne, you might be wondering what to eat each week for clear skin, but how do you do that? It all starts by watching this video here next, because when you pair what you just learned with what you're about to learn in this video, it's so much more powerful. And give this video a thumbs up if you found any of it helpful. Subscribe so you don't miss my new videos. Share it with anybody else who you think would find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.